Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the hyperlinks in MS-PowerPoint. Hyperlink in MS-PowerPoint are similar to the links you might have seen on websites. They allows you to jump to that specific slides or the web page. So here there are multiple options. If you are creating a hyperlink within the document you can create a hyperlink for the existing file. You can also create a hyperlink to create a new file. You can also create a hyperlink to go to the web page. You can also create a hyperlink to send the email. So in this video, what we are going to learn is the hyperlink within the document. So first, one hyperlink I have already created over here. So if I want to jump to the this slide, that is what is microelectronics, this slide is which slide I have, so the 7th slide. That means from the 3rd slide to the 7th slide I have to jump. Then I have to click on the slideshow view, like from the current slide, and you can see whenever I am going to move the cursor on that click here, it is going to jump on that page. So in this way you can jump and you can come out of the slideshow. Now same way, if you want to create a hyperlink for this one, the basic components of electronics, then I will select like this and I will create a hyperlink for it, like click here. Then I will select the click here, and from insert you can see a hyperlink over here. Once you click on the hyperlink, you can see here a existing file or a web page. I will say the place in this document because I want to jump within a document. Then I will select the basic components. It will show me the preview over here. I will click OK. Now you can see the hyperlink is created. If I'm going to click on the slideshow, if I click over there, I will jump to the directly to that slide. So if you want to insert a hyperlink to the image, now if I want to insert a hyperlink like this on this image, and I want to I want to jump on the, I'm going to create a hyperlink on this image and I want to jump on this page. So how to create it? Just select it. You can right click on it if you want, and you can create a hyperlink from here also. But there is option available directly hyperlink place in this document, and I want to go to the which page, the examples of, so on this page I want to go. From this page and I will click over there. Now you can see when I am going to click on the slideshow, it is showing the hand, and for this it is showing the arrow. That means the hyperlink is created. If I click on that, it will go to that page. So in this way you can create a hyperlink within the document on your text or on your image also. So if you want to know how to insert a hyperlink for the existing file and for other options, there is a separate video available on our channel. Thank you.